HiFi Collective. Here we have the hall from Viborg. So Viborg is a Chinese company that we met over in the Munich show, May 2024. Loads of offerings. The stuff is quite amazing. It's kind of medium cost, so we've already sold quite a bit of it. We have focused on kind of their IEC leads, not leads, plugs. So we've got figure eights here. We've got the American US plugs. We've got just the standard IEC plugs, also available in a right-angled format. And we've got the Shuko's, and then these are the good ones, the cool ones. These are the British ones, UK plug. As you can see, they're pretty hefty. Should I get one out? Whoop. Squeeze. So look at that, that's awesome. You can get a big cable in there to fit. They also provide you with an Allen key if there is a grub screw connection. So let's put that to the side. So yeah, we've already sold quite a lot of those. Now they have this thing about their plating. You can get just your standard copper plate. Well, it's copper, and they do a copper plate on top. But if you go for a silver plate or a gold plate or a rhodium plate, specifically the gold and rhodium, they'll silver plate it. So first of all, they'll copper plate it, then they'll silver plate it, and then they'll gold plate it. So there's like 3 layers of plating for their gold plating and rhodium. So quite an interesting one. And that's probably why there is so many here, because, I mean, for example, these are the bananas. So you've got your copper plate here, and then you've got, are these the rhodium? So these are the rhodium. So this will have 3 layers of plating on, and then you've got your gold. That'll have 3 layers on. And then you've got your silver, which would have your copper plate, and then your silver plate, quite a thick one. So, so there's your bananas. We've got all your different ones, the RCA socket, chassis mount. You've got your grub screw connection ones, which are always good to have in different formats, different platings. So, I mean, the quality is quite amazing. And then you've got your different binding posts, different sizes. So we've got a variety of the longer ones and the shorter ones. We have a different finish on the actual turn. And then you've got the kind of carbon plate finish ones there. All the different platings are available. We've only got one lot of the spade, which is superb. So they're RCA plugs, are pretty unique. One of them's pure silver. I think it's this one. So that's silver plated, that one. It's copper plated. Oh no, sorry, yeah. The RCA is just silver and gold plated. But they're similar to the ETI, the KLE, the Eichmann one kind of way of connecting up. Always find that quite easy to do. These are the silver contact, pure silver contact XLRs. So they're interesting. Good thing to go. And then also we've got lots of different ones on the XLRs. So kind of gold finish chassis mount XLRs. So in order for us to have more of a variety of bits and bobs, we have gone for a few different things that we don't normally stock. So we've got the 4-pin XLRs, which are sometimes used there. We've also got the plugs for those too. We've got all the various kind of IEC versions. They're very popular. Those Shuko's, like that. Different formats, silver, gold. And then we've got, oh look, there's the 4-pin XLR, cool. And then you've got your 3.5mm stereo jack. And then these are the interesting ones that we wouldn't normally get, but people are making more and more digital cables. So here we have some USB minis and Bs, all the different kind of sockets you need for that. This is a DIN plug, USB there, and then your power supply ones as well. So yeah, we've got a good range of stuff. There's probably about 70 new lines. So have a look at the Viborg, great quality. If you don't want to spend a ton of money to make a lead, or upgrade your RCA things, sockets, in your kit. Cool. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.